Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Shorts video in the full screen player. Tap the speaker icon or the audio track name to access volume controls. This reveals in-app options versus system volume. Make sure your device volume and app permissions are enabled so adjustments take effect. Once done, use the in-player slider for quick changes because this directly alters the Shorts playback without changing other apps. If you want precise control, proceed to the clip-specific settings. Now adjust the in-player level. Drag the volume slider while watching the short to judge loudness. Tap the audio track name to access clip-level controls if available. This lets you mute or reduce the original sound while preserving music or voiceover. Move slowly and test at typical listening levels because human perception changes with background noise. Make sure to compare with other shorts to maintain consistency, and once satisfied, lock that setting or export the adjusted clip if you're editing. Finish by saving your changes or exporting the edited short from the Creator tool. Verify the result by replaying the short at normal device volume. Make sure other apps sound normal so you know the issue is not system-wide. If the audio remains low, toggle app permissions, restart the YouTube app, or clear the app cache. This often fixes lingering slider or playback bugs. If nothing works, test on another device to isolate whether it's the file or your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.